Thanks for tuning in to Front Page Crypto News. Calico on Crypto here. Whether you're a beginner investor, a veteran in the crypto space, or just a guy that likes news, discussions, and opinions, you're in the right place here, you know what I'm saying? So definitely hit the like, hit the subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think, you know what I'm saying? But we're going to get right into the news that I have for you guys today. All right, so we're going to start right here. Biggest crypto exchange, Binance, resumes withdrawals for UK users after regulators ban. So what's happening here is that Binance, they're pretty much not operating in the UK anymore because UK is like, we don't want Binance for various reasons. And so if you are in the UK and you operate on Binance with your trades and things like that, Binance no longer operates there, and Binance has to let people know that, look, you're in the UK, we can't operate here. It is what it is. You see what I'm saying? And so far, some people have been having issues and pulling their funds out of Binance and things like that. So it's still kind of some cobwebs in it. But at the end of the day, it says right here that the regulator has told the crypto exchange Binance that it must display a notice to investors on its platform stating that it's not allowed to operate in the country. So they pulled Binance. Now, in my opinion, you know what I'm saying? Only a few exchanges will exist once regulation and adoption comes through. Not everybody's going to be, not every exchange that's out there right now is going to be, you know what I'm saying? You won't be able to use them all, is my point. Some exchanges will be just for some countries, others will be for other countries. Kind of like how we have Robinhood, we have Fidelity, and then you have like the Swiss stock exchange, you know, the Japanese stock exchange. You won't be able to just to go anywhere and start investing in this crypto space. You see what I'm saying? Only a few will survive. All right, so moving forward from that here, okay, this right here, very interesting. Again, another U.S. government or U.S. Looks like it was a lawmaker. He says here, government needs tools to unmask crypto investors and reverse transactions, says U.S. lawmaker. So what this is talking about here is the U.S. House of Representative Bill Foster says that, look, criminals, you know, use Bitcoin, you know what I'm saying, for illicit activities, and they're getting wiser to that fact. So they're not really doing much crime, or they still are, but not like on a big scale, because you can kind of track and see who's doing what, right? And his argument is this right here. He says here, you know, pretty much in terms of just say, for example, I send somebody Bitcoin for something illegal, you can pretty much track it. But he's saying, is there a court that you could go to unmask the participants? Is there a third party? Is there somebody around that you can go to if, you know what I'm saying, you are in some legal issues with a Bitcoin transaction? Because on Bitcoin, once you send the Bitcoin out there, it's gone forever. You cannot get the refund on that. So he's saying, hey, we need to implement something. We need to regulate and put something in place so that if any illicit stuff is done with Bitcoin, you can always track it and see who did it, you know what I'm saying, at what time they did it, and reverse the funds back. You see what I'm saying? So again, he's just pushing for more regulation in the crypto space. You know what I mean? Naming Bitcoin as one of the coins that people use, you know what I'm saying, they can't get back. You see what I'm saying? So again, keep an eye on that, you know, regulation and all that good stuff. Moving forward from that here, okay, this was interesting as well. And I didn't even know this. I thought China or Japan would be it. But it says here, study names United States most crypto ready country. Okay, so what this here is saying is that a study was done, okay, by some company. Don't really matter who it is, right? But they're pretty legit, I guess. But it says here that in terms of just crypto readiness, United States has a top score of 7.13 out of 10. Okay, the US is leading the way with over 17,000 ATMs. Okay, crypto ATMs, we have 17K of them in the United States. You see what I'm saying? And on top of that too, it says here that the US allows for ownership of crypto and its use in banks, again, custody and all that stuff. And there has been a 140% increase in searches for cryptocurrency in the past year. And again, that's Americans going online, searching and reading about cryptocurrency. You know what I'm saying? And again, all it took was Dogecoin for people to really hop in. You know what I mean? To really just get in there. You know, thanks to Robinhood, Webull, and other, you know, apps that people use on their phone. So again, United States is ready. At the end of the day, China may be the winner in the short term, but as you know, US, again, they're always trying to be on top. So they're definitely going to do the regulation, the adoption. They're going to do whatever they can do to be number one in the money space, especially with cryptocurrency. You see what I'm saying? Moving on from that here, this is just a little story I read about. Okay, introducing AssetFi, a tokenization platform for real assets on the blockchain. So this is interesting because, as you know, they're going to tokenize stock and stuff in the future. I mean, that's just what's going to happen. But it says here that this company, AssetFi, right, what they're trying to do is, on top of just making it easy to make money and payments universally, I can't even talk today, man. Universally, right, for anybody, pretty much through an app and internet connection. What they want to do is they want to tokenize valuable real-life assets like real estate property, painting, precious metals, and company shares on the blockchain with the AFI token. You see what I'm saying? So pretty much what they're trying to do is let people invest in REITs, probably in gold, silver, whatever it may be, and have it as a token instead. Okay, so that's what their whole deal is. And again, that just ties into, again, tokenization of stock, shares, and physical things, right? So moving on from that here, right, India. We've been hearing about India. If you haven't been up on the news, I got a little piece for you here. India crypto exchanges flounder as banks cut ties after RBI frown. So the RBI is the India central banking system. They pretty much do not like cryptocurrency. The banks don't like it because of several reasons. One of the reasons is, it says here, the exchanges are struggling to cope after the central bank, which is the Reserve Bank of India, says they don't favor digital currencies out of concern over their impact on financial stability. You see what I'm saying? They don't trust it. People are investing in it, losing money, moving money back and forth. And also another thing is that customers complain that it takes too long for the funds to settle, right? When they have a bank in India and they're trying to move it onto an exchange, it takes too long. It's not immediate. You know what I'm saying? So again, right now, India and crypto, they're just not clicking right now because of those reasons. And again, links in the description to the article. So if you want to learn more, I'm just doing a quick rundown here. You know what I'm saying? I'm on the move right now. And then we're going to go to this piece of news here, which is SoftBank. They're a big company in Tokyo, and they just invested 200 million in Brazilian crypto trading platform Mercado Bitcoin. So again, I'm showing you guys probably every video I'm dropping big companies investing in cryptocurrency, because again, low key, the big players are moving into the crypto space, and the more than that move in, which is eventually going to happen, I mean, it's not going to be overnight, but when it does happen, that's when crypto is going to blow. You see what I'm saying? So definitely get your bags ready. I mean, get those bags. And the last piece I have here is NBA star Spencer Dinwiddie's crypto-fueled social media app raises 7.5 million. Okay, so this dude right here is a basketball player. Not sure if you're into basketball or not, but what he did was he created a social media app on blockchain, from what it sounds like. Okay, I could be wrong, let me know, right? The application is called Galaxy. It raised over 7 million in funding, and the point of the app, okay, is to offer interactive polls, messaging, video calls, and the ability for fans to engage with influencers like sports stars and musicians. So it's going to be a social media app where you can get on there and you can do social media things, right? So this dude raised money for it. And another interesting thing too, which is I don't really understand, I might look into it, he tokenized his basketball contract. I really don't know what that means. He says right here, the point guard for the Brooklyn Nets initially told the press he would tokenize his contract. Like, does that mean he's getting paid in crypto and money in cash, or does he mean like, that's what I don't get. I gotta research more. I might have a video just on this alone. I mean, I didn't really read into that, but he tokenized his contract. I guess people can, whoever has the highest bidder can then trade them to a team. I don't know, but again, that's just interesting. And again, it just shows, again, celebrities, even sports stars getting into the crypto space. Okay, again, moving towards adoption and all that good stuff. People who are fans of his might say, I want that app. And then after that, it's just a gateway. They then learn about all the other tokens, coins, and before you know it, they're investing. You see what I'm saying? So definitely keep your eye on stuff like that. Otherwise, man, let me know what you guys think. Like, sub, hit the bell, and get those bags.